I'm not tapped in. Wait, wait, wait. I wasn't tapped in, you monkey.
Call that. Oh, come on. This is so... I'm gonna get him.
Gosh. No.
This game is dumb. Wait. See this? See this? See this? Yeah. This is dumb.
Get away from me. Back up. Go.
Ooh, wait.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
This is so dumb. How do you put me down instantly? You did not hit me there.
Oh, I don't care about blocking. What?
Dude, get off of me, please.
This is so fun. You pussy.
Okay, yeah, you see when that happens.
Ouchie.
What the hell? This game is so dumb.
Get off me.
How did that happen? This game is fucking bullshit. You can't just like instantly put me down.
I don't
Should
think
happen
this.
one more time.
I'm trying to get away from me. Get away. My balls. Get away from me.
Oh yeah.
What?
I told you what this happens one more time. I'm not playing this fucking game.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, and we're back. Okay.
So I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be the move that lets me win.
Come on.
That's not what I want to do. Wait, no, go back to extending. That's not what I wanted to do. No, that's never good. That's not what I want to do either. Stop double clicking, you dumb fuck. You dumb fucking mouse. We're gonna rotate you.
Ow, my calf.
Hiya. Then what we're gonna do? That's not gonna work. Extending. Left rotating.
Somebody, I broke your elbow.
Let go of me. Oh my god, you dumb. Oh my god. Extend. Relax the right hip. Stop clenching your ass cheek, please. Then we're gonna just. Wait, actually, I got an idea. I'm gonna step on your leg really hard.
With that.
Do it sassily. Wait, hold on. Alright, we're gonna step on your here. Uh-oh.
Got you. You activated my trap card.
Extending. Wait. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, what? Ah, damn.
Yeah. Stepping on your hard
I'm gonna go for the
Okay.
classic.
Am I not holding myself up or something? Because when I do this, it just makes my entire body go the other direction that I don't want it to.
Ah.
Left bending, left. Oops. Okay, so what we're gonna do here. That's clearly not something. Okay, where's my foot? In case I do go down.
And
That's
track
not
the
gonna
right
happen.
ass button. Track the right
Oh,
ass.
wait. Alright, then we're gonna
You
let
fucker.
go of me, you perv. Okay, do you see what I'm doing right now?
No, I don't see what
Yo,
you're doing.
what the hell?
Oh, I see what you mean.
Ow!
Yeah, the back of your thigh, buddy.
Let go of me.
Bottom. Bottom wrap this shit
Oh
back
my
around.
god, this game. Please work. Where's my ass cheek? There it is.
It's such a goofy sentence. Alright.
Okay, watch this. You're not even gonna do what I wanted to do to you. What? Start doing what you were gonna do. This dumb fucking game. Yeah, yes, you're right as shit. How do I save this?
I'm gonna let you down gently.
You had to give me a last kick in the balls, dude, you bitch. Okay, so what we're gonna do.
That's so stupid. Did I turn off my...
Hurry up.
Oh, I turned off my ghost accidentally.
Oh.
Oh no.
What the fuck? I'm not even trying for a kick. I'm not gonna try for a kick.
Bro, what a fucking...
God damn it, that's not what I wanted to fucking do. You grab me again.
I'm going to...
We're gonna kick you in the
Yes,
side.
ah, shit.
Ooh.
I wanted to punch you, you bitch.
Okay, then we're gonna stop. I'm gonna relax my ass cheek. Then you're gonna let go of me. God, you're making this harder for me. Okay? God, this would be so much easier in like real life or some shit, not this dumb fucking game. Had to make sure I was recording. All right, now what we're gonna do here is you're gonna let go of me gently, okay? Oh yeah, we're gonna do this. Oh wait, actually. Ooh fuck. Oh wait, I got an idea. It's not very fucking helpful, game. God damn it. I'm done here. Excuse me.
Oh
What am I
yeah.
supposed to do?
into the ninja pose. That was the goofiest fight I've ever seen in my damn life.
Okay. No, go to the other pack. God fucking damn it. Oh my god, this game is making this hard, bro. No, my mouse is. Yo, no, that's not what I wanted to do.
What
No.
the fuck?
Stupid ass fucking lumber. Right, that's gonna land me on my fucking ass. Let go of me. That's not gonna. No! Go to my knee, motherfucker. Oh, god damn it. Where are my abs?
There we go. Ah, damn it.
Why did you let go of me?
I did. That's why I let go of you. Brother, can you hurry the fuck up? Ugh.
Where's this?
This isn't gonna go well.
It is for me, okay? Yo. Yo. This game is really fucking dumb. That's not what I want to do, you fucking game. Okay, hold my ass cheek. Okay, then we're gonna want to lumbar to the left. Stupid fucking game. There's no way I can save this.
Oh shit, wait. Damn!
Oh, you barely did. No, that's gonna kill me. Alright, this pose is gonna go crazy. Why stop grabbing you fucking bitch, dude? Extend the knee. Oh, fuck. Oh. Extending, god damn it. Ooh, wait a minute, this could save me. I'm just gonna let you beat my ass here.
Ow, my foot.
Oh, wait.
I'm gonna catch myself on your body.
See this here?
This is a fucking hodgepodge of... What was that? So stupid. What just
What
happened?
the fuck is this?
Bitch. Oh, shit. Let go of me. What the fuck is this guy? I didn't realize. I thought that was you. Get that motherfucker out of here.
Watch this. What the fuck is it?
Let's see. Bow. Hiya. Oh, I'm fucked. What? Oh. My balls barely touched the floor. You there? Are you okay? Oh, you munching? Actually, wait, how do I? There we go. Ah. Oh. How did I break your right shoulder? Or your left shoulder? How did I break your left shoulder? This is not gonna end well. Oh no. Oh, fuck. Good. Oh no. Yes, ma'am. Oh, and your left pec as well. How did it happen? Please. Oh. Oh, oh God. What's gonna happen? Oh, wait.
I doubt I would somehow win this.
Now my head's gonna get outside the ring. I can't salvage this. Ah! Also, you can use the scroll wheel to change it between raising and lowering, or the contracting and, or no, what is it? Yeah, extending and contracting and raising and lowering. Just to give you a heads up. What? What?
I'm done.
I slammed one of your fucking nuts.
That's the end of the video, man.